Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Audible and today's video is all about this absolutely stunning car, a Lotus Evora. What we've upgraded this vehicle with is features like Apple Carplay, Android Auto and a lovely new 7-inch touchscreen. The unit itself is called a Kenwood 8020, but that's enough of chatting around out here. We're going to jump inside the car and I'm going to show you all of the features and benefits of upgrades like this, as well as adding some additional charging ports into the vehicle as well. So jump inside with me and we'll show you everything that we've done. So the first thing that you see here, we've got a custom Lotus logo on the boot up screen and as the background. We've changed the key color over to red just to match the instrument cluster in front of us. The main thing obviously on these units is the retention of the DAB from the system that was in there before. But as you can see, automatically we've got Apple CarPlay popped up as well as Android Auto. So this unit can do 2 phones at the same time, and also one really cool thing, it is both wireless on Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, completely wireless functionality. However, we've still got the functionality of charging, and thus we've added 2 USBs down in the armrest. So we'll show you Apple CarPlay for this demonstration purposes. So if I click on here, you've got pretty much everything you could possibly want and need while driving. You've got all your phone calls. I've got my maps from Apple Maps, but I've also got Google Maps and Waze as well. So there's loads of functionality, all my map and navigation system, and I've also got all my music here as well. So I can go through, play exactly what I want to. I've got easy volume control, down and up, all live from here. So you've got literally loads of functionality all live in one place. I can send WhatsApp messages, I can also send text messages, all via Siri and voice activation on the actual system itself for Apple CarPlay. Then you've also got Android Auto as well. So if you do have an Android phone, it's called Android Auto, and Android Auto apps that are compatible like Google Maps, Waze, that sort of stuff will all go through if you have an Android phone as well. So if you wanted to also add another optional thing onto this, we can integrate a reversing camera. So if I select reverse, automatically pops up a clear, nice image, and that all goes live on the 7-inch screen. So yeah, overall a really nice fitted solution. It fits in the vehicle perfectly. You've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, it's so much functionality all in one place, and we've retained the factory camera on this occasion. If your vehicle didn't have a factory camera, we can add a camera, so not to worry, you just need to let us know when you're inquiring about this conversion. So we've also retained some of the functionality as well, like digital radio from the factory system that had the antenna on the windscreen, as well as that reversing camera that also came from factory as well. But yeah, over the moon with the finished result. I'm really happy with it, and I'm sure our client will be over the moon too.